Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I want to walk you through step by step how you can create your own USA Bank account right here in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa or any part of the world where you don't have access to the US bank account. All right. Now, why do you need to create a US bank account? It's very simple. If you are a freelancer, you are affiliate marketer, you are a TikToker, even a YouTuber, and you need to cash out, you need to receive money in the US dollar currency, then you need a US bank account. Okay. Now, because a lot of people have actually come to me to ask me how to do this, and I keep telling them that this is the only way, and I'm going to show you that golden way to get your US bank account, and that is Payoneer. Payoneer, you can see it boldly on my screen. Payoneer is a platform that is going to give you a US bank account that will enable you to receive payment from anywhere in the world. Okay, if you are a freelancer, a web designer, you work on Fiverr, Upwork, any freelance job that you do, you can get paid from anybody from anywhere in the world. So guys, without wasting time, I want us to get right into the tutorial. Now, before we do that, if today is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, YouTube will always send you a notification and you'll be the first to watch and implement the strategies and make the most money before others join. So guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, I salute you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for always coming around. And I know that you're getting values from this channel. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is to go to Payoneer. And I have a unique link in my description of this video. Go to that link, click on that link. If you use that link to sign up, you're going to get a reward from Payoneer. Payoneer is going to give you, I think that's about $25 to $50 when you sign up using my own link. Okay, guys, do that, and show support for this channel. Use that link and register. You will get a $25, $30, or to $50 reward. That is when you have done some transactions on the platform. You're not getting the reward for just signing the opening the account. So take note of that, guys. So go ahead and do that. So what do we do? First off, you come to the website and click on register. You click on register, you wait for the page to open. Once the page opens, it's going to give you options. You see, say, let's find the right account for your need. Please select the option that describes you the best. You are a freelancer, you are an online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, and individual. Now, these are the things. So you need to go for individual. Always go for individual. When you click on individual, it's still going to give you options. Get the full power of Payoneer to both receive and to both send and receive global payment. So you click on that one immediately, and then it will bring you to this page. When you come here, what you need to do, you click on register. But before we do that, let's see the benefit that you're going to get if you get this account set up. Now, you're going to get paid by leading marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. Get paid by your global clients, that is anybody in the world that you work for. You're a web designer and you are able to work for a client in the United States, anywhere they can pay you. You can withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rate. And also, you can withdraw your funds at ATMs, ATM machine anywhere in the world. You can pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So if you are an importer, you can use their debit card to make payment on AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, and Shopify, any international platform. This is going to help you. So let's move on. So you click on register. All right. Once the page opens like this, make sure you select individual. Of course, it's always selected by default. So the next thing you're going to do is to fill this form. So if you already have a Facebook account, then you should be able to fill this form. It's very easy to fill. Put in your email. And then retype your email to be very sure. Please make sure that every detail you're fixing here or inputting here are correct. Put in your date of birth. You can check it up. Select the year you were born. Let's say you were born 1993. Select it. Select the date. And okay, so you select it. It will be here automatically. You click on next. Right? So it will bring you to this next page. Your country is Nigeria. You can select your street address. Let's say you're living at Lekki Phase 1. You know, this is just a mock account. So make sure that everything you put in here is correct. City, Lagos, postal code 234. I always use this. And then your mobile number. All right, guys, so you need to put your valid phone number here, right? Then once you do that, you click on send code. They will send you that code. Usually, the code takes a few seconds to get to your phone. So once you get that code, you're going to input that code here. And then see the code has entered my phone. I'm going to put that code here now, 086467, right? Once you put the code, you click on next. Click on next. Just wait for the page to load. All right, the page has loaded. So the next thing now is your security area. So here you add your password. This is your password. Of course, you know, you have to use stuff that you'll always remember, okay? All right, your security question. What's the first name of the eldest of your cousins? What is your grandfather's profession? In which city was your grandmother born? So you just pick anyone that is applicable to you. Was your grandfather born? Come on. These questions, maybe you. All right, so this is just it. So you just pick this, the name of your first teacher. I can't remember the name of my first teacher. So I just put there, John, right? Just put whatever. So your ID, you need to select the kind of ID that you have and then put the number. Put your ID number, national ID. So make sure you put the correct, make sure every information is correct. And notice that most of us, when we are filling forms online, you can use your NIN. So I'm going to put it there. And don't forget that your NIN carries your real information. So in case of verification, make sure that the information you're filling here tallies with what you have on your NIN. Okay? So that's it. Almost done. This is the last page. The account currency is US dollar. So you have to add US dollar if you have a domiciliary account. But if you don't have, you can put your Naira account for withdrawal. I said, please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you and your company. The details of the bank account, the name of the bank account must tally with the name you're using to open this account. Everything must tally, right? So what you said is click here for bank account registration guide, right? So state the bank. You can state your bank, the bank that you use, the name on the account, right? So make sure everything is correct, guys. Once you do that, you click on submit. Once you do this, your US bank account is ready. Watch it, watch it, watch it, guys. Watch it, guys. Congratulations. Your Payoneer account application has been submitted and is now being reviewed, right? So if you need a card, you can apply for the card. So it will be reviewed. And once they are okay with every information you have submitted, your account will be approved and you will start using your US bank account from Payoneer. So once you get the first account, you can create multiple accounts from different countries on Payoneer platform. Guys, this is it. So if this has added value to you, please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so already, and also like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and share this video. There are so many people that need this information, and this is going to help them a great deal. So if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.